In the thrilling world of science, there are moments that change everything. One such moment occurred in the 1950s when scientists were on the brink of unraveling the mysteries of DNA, the blueprint of life. At the heart of this scientific saga lies a remarkable image known as Photograph 51 by me, Rosalind Franklin, which played a pivotal role in shaping our understanding of DNA's structure. So, let me tell you how my iconic photograph came to be. Imagine a race, not on racetracks, but in laboratories, where scientists are sprinting to uncover the structure of DNA. DNA, short for deoxyribonucleic acid, holds the key to understanding how living organisms inherit traits and pass them on to future generations. But back then, its structure was a mystery waiting to be solved. There were hints and clues, but a definite structure was not known yet. Now, let's zoom in on Photograph 51, the star of our tale. I captured the image using a technique called X-ray crystallography. This image revealed something extraordinary, a pattern that hinted at the helical structure of DNA. It was like finding a hidden treasure map buried within the molecular landscape. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, was originally discovered in 1898 by Johann Miescher, and it was known that it was a key to genetics. But it was not until the 1950s when scientific methods had developed to where the actual structure of the molecule could be discovered, and my work was key to that methodology. My X-ray diffraction photo, now named Photograph 51, showed that DNA crystals form an X shape on X-ray film. Sorry about all the X's. Molecules with a helical shape have this type of X-shape pattern. Watson and his research partner Francis Crick were working independently on the structure of DNA, and Watson realized that these photographs were the scientific evidence they needed to prove that the DNA molecule was a double-stranded helix. Using evidence from my X-ray diffraction study, Watson and Crick revised their earlier proposed triple-helix DNA model to a double-helix model for DNA. They used my data, along with their own insights, to construct a model of DNA, a double helix, spiraling like a twisted ladder. It was a moment of scientific triumph, akin to solving a centuries-old riddle. By the way, I didn't know they had even seen my data at the time. Maurice Wilkins showed it to them without my knowing. I did not receive proper credit for my contributions to the scientific community and DNA research during my lifetime. While scientists James Watson and Francis Crick received the Nobel Prize for their theoretical model of the double helical structure of DNA, my image and calculations were the critical information they needed to prove their theory.